National Scenic Area. Yeah, I'd say so. It is lovely out here, folks. And this campground it's set back from the highway enough, so it's not so bad. Even when the trains come through, it sounds like it's kind of far off. When the winds come through, it's kind of freaky. All these trees and stuff. I'm just gushing about this place, the gorge. End of September, perfect temperature.
1, 2, 3, gorge!
Wow, here it is, Emerald Falls. Oh, it looks like people do go up there. Little diamond in the rough back here. I'm surprised all those kids and stuff made it. I saw a lot of the mothers were carrying them on their backs.
Okay. You.
I should have kept my pants on. Situations like this. Leaves of 3. Let it be. A lot of these trails are overgrown. It definitely has an element of danger to it, the gorge. Things are just different in the wilderness. Switchback-o-rama. It's just cool to think of what this area actually is geographically. I mean, like right in the heart of the Cascades, but the Columbia River cut this big old gorge right through the middle of them. Such a unique place to be. That's Mount Adams, baby. And Mount St. Helens. Check it out. Wow. A lot of crickets out here. What's that? Diane? Is that you? Stay away! Little mnemonic device. Scan.
Listen.
Watch out.
Stay.
Leave.
Stay out.
Patriot sandwich. It's got everything you might want and some nasty looking lettuce. We don't need to be totally comfortable all the time, and we don't need to worry about condiments, you know? Come on. Yeah, camping in the gorge is great. I'll say it again. It's great. That lady over there in the pink, I had to help her up. She fell down. She was like on her back in the creek. Scrambled over there and helped her up. She didn't even say thank you. So it's cool. Yeah, I'm only less than 5 miles from the trail I took last night. Get a different perspective of Wind Mountain. It's the wrong way. Just be going up the side of the gorge again, just like yesterday, but might as well. I'm here. That's right, folks. We're happy to be here at the Columbia River Gorge. Here up on the Starvation Ridge Trail. Only the most rugged of individuals venture to this place. You're liable to starve. There's nothing to eat. It's 1891 and you're a pioneer. You're ill-equipped. You're ignorant. You're ugly. Especially in this kind of landscape. It's just one thing I notice, how unstable the material is, the ground.
Be aware of heightened risk of moving earth.
Oh my God. Just looking around that other side is holy crap, dude.
This has been Wanderlust Max from Starvation Ridge.
It's a beautiful world. I'm on the side of the road. Oh my God, I guess fallen rocks are better than falling rocks, right? Columbia River Gorge, National Scenic Area. It's known for its raging highway and smoky skies. Someone stole the emblem right off there.
There's a light.
Past this guy just down there. I was coming up the hill, he was coming down, and it gave me the weirdest look. He was just like, I mean, maybe I should start doing that, just prepare a good look. So if I come across anyone out here, I'm just like, how are you? Came across a couple, a middle-aged couple. It's a funny interaction. You know, I say hello, and then they're like,
Are you lost?
What are you looking for?
I'm like, no. Are you lost? And they said,
We were lost, but then we found each other.
it's cute. They said, well, what are you looking for? And I said, peace of mind. And they said,
Oh, yes. Well, remember that the journey is the destination.
oh, I haven't heard that one before. And then they said,
That's just a little bit of advice from old people.
and I was like, you're not old. And they said,
Thanks, that made our day.